Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackHere.com. Today we're going to break down the Alpinestars Rhod Windstopper riding jacket. As of the time we're shooting this video, the Rhod jacket retails for $249.95. Start off with sizing, 5 feet 11 inches tall, 33-inch waist, 195 pounds. I'm wearing a size large in this jacket. It fits exactly as I would expect. The material that it's made out of is really forgiving. It's this nice soft shell material. It's got a Windstopper membrane underneath it, right, to break the wind. Has a lot of stretch and flexibility built in, so the jacket wears really light and comfortable. It comes with CE certified soft shell armor in the elbow forearm as well as the shoulder. There are pockets to accept the Alpinestars back armor as well as the chest armor. Those are sold separate. You can find those in the Alpinestars armor section of our website if you want to add additional protection to this jacket. At a minimum, if you're out riding, it's great to have the back protection added in the jacket. We don't see as many people opt for the chest armor as we do the back, but we do feel here the back is critical. This jacket also features aramidtic reinforcements in the elbow and shoulder area. Those are the real impact zones when you fall down. The fabric itself also has a solid measure of abrasion resistance. The hood that you see, and we'll show you this in the second part of the video, is removable. If you prefer to ride without it, you can simply remove the hood from the jacket. Storage that's built in. 2 exterior hand warmer style storage pockets with a zip. They're large pockets. You can easily get your hand in and out. There is an interior storage pocket that's going to be weather resistant, that has a nice pass through for headphones. We'll show you that in the second part of this video. This is really a pretty basic coat that's intended for more casual riding. It's not super technical, but it does provide a reasonable measure of protection. If you like what you see and you want more details, stay tuned for the second part. We're going to take this off, give you a closer look from the inside out. Okay, we'll start off with the armor that is included with the jacket. This is the Nucleon Flex Armor, CE Level 1 certified. So low profile, moldable, flexible, comfortable, you don't even know this. It's in the jacket. Shoulder profile, here is your elbow and forearm piece. We're going to make a correction right now. There is no provision, even though the text, the descriptive text for the jacket does state that there are pockets for chest armor. There, in fact, is not any pocket for the chest armor. There is a pocket for the back armor. It is right back here. Little Velcro pocket. Easy in, easy out. As I said earlier, we highly recommend you add the back protection to the jacket. Shoulder coat itself now. This material is really nice. It has a great hand. Got a little elastic waist, elastic cuff. There is the thumb loop if you choose to use that. I found the sleeves stay down pretty good, so I don't know that that's super necessary. Removable hood. This is done with snaps. They have a real positive engagement too, so the jacket feels like the quality is excellent. And there is a little retaining snap too. If you're going to ride with the hood on, it just helps to keep it in place, right? Lined hood, it's got a little shock cord inside to tighten it up. You can see that when it's removed, it looks really clean. Back of the coat, you got an Alpinestars reflective logo printed on right there. To the front of the jacket, there's those storage pockets here. Large A-Stars logo. Screen printed here. That looks to be, that might be reflective, not 100%, but I know that this logo here, without question, is reflective. You get inside the coat. It's got kind of a partial liner system. A mesh liner here is going to facilitate holding the back protector. Here is that weather-resistant storage pocket, left breast. There's a little pass-through right here for headphones if you're going to need that. Waterproof zip on that pocket. Slip storage pocket here on the left. Mirror image of that is going to be over here on the right side. And when you look at the sleeve of the coat, okay, you'll note that this liner does not flow all the way through the jacket. The material that they're using is so comfortable, right, that you don't need to have the liner on the other side of it. The reinforcements, kind of slide the sleeve out a little bit here. There is that aromatic fiber reinforcement in the shoulder, and you're going to have material just like that in the elbow and forearm area to help manage abrasion resistance. What do I think? This is a more casual leaning riding jacket. Alpinestars has taken steps to make sure that you have a good measure of abrasion and impact protection with this coat. The armor that we see here is the same armor that we see in a lot of the textile jackets from Alpinestars. You throw a back protector in this, and you're going to have yourself a very comfortable, light-wearing, windproof, solid piece of protection. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments section of this video. I answer all that stuff myself, and I'm always here to help you choose the right gear for your next ride.